Positive Day Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi from My Can Change Project. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yan, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Okay, so, what are you doing to your money? Yeah, so, ako naniniwala na lahat tayo may pera, di ba? Kahit ng pinaka-ordinaryong tao na, pati nga bata, di ba, merong inahawakang pera, may dumadaang pera sa atin, di ba? Sa aminin natin hindi, estudyante ka, kahit wala kang trabaho, may nag-aabot sa yung pera, di ba? So, ang tanong natin ngayong gabi ay, what are you doing to your money? Okay? So, ano ba talaga yung ginagawa mo sa pera mo? Okay? So, mamimili tayo. So, yan ba ay, ang perang hawak mo ba ay you are spending it? Okay? Spending. That means, you're paying your bills, paying your car. Hello, Wigo. You're buying the things that you need, diba? So, that's spending your money. So, wala tayong problema dyan kasi mga basic needs yan eh. You have to buy food, diba? You have to, buy medicine. You have to pay si cable. You have to pay everything. So, that's first. And second, what are you doing to your money? Okay? Are you wasting it? Are you wasting your money? Dok, di paano ko ba sinasayang pera ko? Maraming paraan. Maraming paraan that you are wasting your money. Okay? So, ano mga paraan o mga ginagawa mo that you are unaware that you are wasting your money? Eto, pagkayari mong mamili na pag-uwi mo naman, ay pwede naman pala siyang wala. Diba? We are buying so many stuff na hindi naman pala natin kailangan. Na minsan na-stock lang. Kaya minsan pag naglilinis tayo ng bahay, diba, ang daming maliliit na figurine, maliliit na halaman, maliliit na sandok, maliliit na bagay, diba? So, mga sulatan, hindi ka naman nagsulat kahit minsan sa buhay mo. Diba? Ang dami nating binibili o ginagastusan na hindi natin kailangan. Okay? So, we are buying small things na eventually nagiging kalat lang. Okay? So, we are wasting your money and you are wasting your money. Okay? Third, what are you doing to your money? Are you saving it? Nagsisave ka ba? May savings ka ba? Di ba? Pag ba tinanong ka ngayon, lalo kung ikaw yung nagtatrabaho, kung 5 years ka na nagtatrabaho, magkano na ba yung pera mo? Alam nyo, one time, I was working for 20 years. 20 years. And ako nakakayama aminin na ngayon lang tayo nagkaroon ng savings investment. Okay, that time when I did not reach yet my 40 years, mga 39, 30, something like that. So, yung edad natin, may nagsabi sa akin, sabi niya sa akin, siguro ang dami ng pera sa bangko, no? Napaisip talaga ako. Sabi ko, pera sa bangko? At that time, I don't have money sa bank. I was so, sakto lang. Yung sinatawag natin living from paycheck to paycheck. Okay? Until nung naging 40 years old ako when I finished my PhD, when I became a speaker, a vlogger, career coach, and investor. So, doon lang talaga nabago yung buhay natin, yung finances natin. Okay? So, balik tayo. Are you saving your money? What are you doing to your money? Okay? Fourth, what are you doing to your money? Are you multiplying your money? Dumadami ba yung pera mo? O lumilipas lang, hindi mo alam? Alam niyo, worst thing na pwede mangyari sa atin, yung isang araw, magising ka na lang na nagsweldo ka, kinabukasan wala ka ng pera. Okay? Yung isang araw, nagising ka na, ba't wala na yung pera ko? Kaka-loan ko lang kaka-bonus ko lang kakasweldo ko lang, wala na yung pera ko. Diba? So, yun yung nakakalungkot. So, there are 4 things na ginagawa mo sa buhay mo, sa pera mo. Are you saving your money? Are you wasting your money? Are you spending your money? Or are you multiplying your money? Alin dyan yung lagi mong ginagawa? Alin dyan sa 4 na yan yung pinagpaplanuan mo o hindi mo pa nagagawa? Doc G, I want to multiply my money. Start multiplying your money. Okay? Start multiplying your money. Paano ba? You go back to my previous video so you can invest, you can start your business, Di ba? So, marami kang pwedeng gawin to multiply your money. There are a lot of people, nag-stop na sila dun sa spending their money. Wala na. Di ba? And worse, they are wasting their money. Okay? So, kung nandito ka sa dalawang level na to, time to move sa third level. Start saving your money. And do sa last, start multiplying your money. Okay? So, my question tonight, simple lang, ang vlog natin ngayon, what are you doing to your money? Okay? Decide. Anong dapat mong gawin sa pera mo. Okay? So, please share this video sa mga kaibigan natin dito sa Pilipinas, mga family and friends, para sama-sama tayong mabago at tumulad ang ating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yan. Let's go, let's go.